you. You see the video. Yesterday I made everyone to see.
A wooden seat looking at the ground. He did not say a word. Heidi walked round the outside of the house. At one side there was a room for the goats, which was empty. At the back were their big big old fire trees.
Fair trees, old.
She put here, there,
Wind.
wind, tree big.
Jay, you are not reading properly, Jay. That's not the way of reading. I gave model reading also how you have to read. Huh? Listen once again how I'm reading. Listen carefully. Then again you have to read. Now Heidi was alone with grandfather. He sat on the wooden seat looking at the ground. He didn't say a word. Heidi walked round the outside of the house. At one side there was a room for the goats, which was empty. At the back were three big old fir trees. She could hear the wind going through them. Jay,
Yes, ma'am.
start reading again like this.
Now Heidi was alone with grandfather.
Good.
He sat on the wooden seat, looking at the ground. He did not say a word.
Good.
Heidi walked around the outside of the house.
Very good.
At one side, there was a room for the goat, which was empty.
Very good, Jay.
At the back were three big old fair fire trees.
Ah, okay, good. Good, Jay, good. So you will get 4 marks. Good, well tried. Now, how you read fast? Okay, with proper punctuations, you have to practice like that only. Reading, you should practice like that, then you will get it. Shrivas, are they present in the class today? Yes. Shri Hassan. Shri Hassan and Shrivas. Shrivas, Shri Hassan. Oh, they are not responding. Akshaya Lakshmi. Akshaya Lakshmi.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read. Start reading.
Now Heidi was along with grandfather. He sat on the wooden seat looking at the ground. He did not said a word.
Stop, stop, stop. Why you are reading only one word? He did not say wrong. You should not read like that. Read again from the starting.
Now Heidi was alone.
Switch on your video first. On your video. Yes.
Now
read.
Heidi was alone with grandfather. He sat on a wooden seat looking
Stop. House. There is a full stop, so you have to take a break. Read again. Heidi walked round the outside of the house. You have to stop there. Read.
Of the house.
Next.
At one side, tree was
There.
was a room for the goats, which was empty. At the back were three big
Old. Fair.
fair
Trees.
trees. She clowned her, the wind going to him. The sound were like
No, Akshaya Lakshmi. You are breaking each and every sentence. Children, yesterday I told you I have given the model reading also. Whenever the comma and full stop is there, you have to stop there only. You should not stop after each and every word.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, now read again. Once again, read. Heidi walked round. Read again.
Heidi walked around the outside of the house.
Very good.
At one side there was a room.
See. Again. You are reading there was a room. No, don't read like that. At one side.
At one side there was a room for the goats, which
Akshaya.
was empty.
Akshaya, follow me. Read after me now. Read. At one side.
At one side
There was a room for the goats.
Room for the goats.
Read again. At one side.
At one side
There was a room for the goats.
Room for the goats.
Come on, read again. At one side, read again.
At one side, there was a room for the goats,
which was empty.
Which was empty.
Yes.
Which was empty.
Okay, Akshaya. Okay.
At the back.
Akshaya, stop. Okay, beta. So now, instead of reading one word, you should practice reading 2 or 3 words together. Okay? Okay. Good. Each and every word you pronounced well, but you have to practice reading 2 or 3 words together. Okay, Akshaya Lakshmi, you will get 3 marks. And now, Ashwita Nalla.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read. Read page number 5 from the beginning. Page number 5. Heidi noticed.
Heidi noticed some steps in
the corner.
In the corner.
He
climbed up them and found herself in a room.
Now read page number 4, first paragraph. Now Heidi was alone.
Now Heidi was alone with grandfather. He
sat
on the wooden seat looking at the ground.
Hmm.
He didn't say a word.
Now read fast. The same sentence. Read again. Come on. Now Heidi was alone with grandfather. Read like that.
Now Heidi was alone with grandfather.
Hmm.
He sat on a wooden seat, looking
Huh.
at the ground. He didn't say a word.
Huh.
Heidi walked round the outside of the house.
Huh.
At one side, there was a room for the goats, which was empty.
1 second, beta. Kushal, Sanjay, Akshad, AVK Ganesh, Kartika, PP Kartika. These students, they are not looking into their books. Simply playing with the books and papers. Kushal, tell me where Ashwita Nalla is reading. Which line she is reading? Come on, read. You start from there.
It is empty.
Kushal,
Yes, ma'am.
you kept your book aside and playing. Now I'll cut 1 marks from your this graded assessment, GA. From the reading test, I'm going to deduct 1 mark. Discipline is also very important for the reading test. Akshad, for you also, I'm going to cut marks now. Good. You're not looking into your books. Yes, Ashwita Nalla, little you need practice, beta. You have to practice, okay? You'll get 3 marks, Ashwita Nalla. Pathan. Pathan, read page number 5.
From first onwards, from beginning, ma'am.
Page number 5, Pathan.
Okay, ma'am. Heidi noticed some steps in the corner. She climbed up them and found herself in a room under the roof. There was hay all over the floor.
Hmm.
And it smelt good.
Come on, fast, fast.
Window,
Ah.
from a window
Mhm.
in the roof, she could see the mountains.
Hmm.
I am going to sleep here, she called. It's nice here. Come and see how nice it is. I know. I have seen it before, he answered. Heidi made a little bed for herself out of the hay. Then she called to grandfather to bring her some sheets.
Okay, 1 second, Pathan. Your reading and pronunciation is very good, but you are giving lots of gap. No need of giving that much gap, beta. Okay, just 1 or 2 seconds. 1 or 2 seconds, that's it. 1 second is also enough. Okay, now once again read from the starting without that gap. Only give me 1 second gap, unmute yourself and start reading.
Heidi noticed some steps in the corner.
Hmm.
She climbed up them and found herself in a room. And it smelt good. From
Under the roof, you missed 1 line, see?
Under the roof.
Hmm.
There was hay all over the floor
Good.
and it smelt good.
Hmm.
From a window in a roof,
Hmm.
she could see the mountains.
Good, good, good. So this is the way you have to read. Okay. Don't give much gap. Those who listen, you know, they will feel bored if you give much gap. So just give 1 or 2 seconds gap and you have to read. Okay. Good. And you got 4.5. Okay, Patan. How much you got?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, how much you got?
4.5.
Only 5 points for that gap. You should rectify that next time, okay? But on
Yes,
off today,
ma'am.
this on off today, you are only the topper, 4.5.
No.
Okay. Next. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, children, we'll stop now this reading test. And we have only 10 minutes. So I want to discuss about the poem. Yesterday we have read this poem. See here. I'm going to share the screen, children. Look at the screen and you have to open the poem, page number 54 of your Global English. We traveled by spaceship. Children, yesterday we have learned the poem. We made our own spaceship with the paper. We enjoyed reading the poem. And now I want to show you something in this poem. See, what are we going to see in this poem? Let's see. I'm going to share the screen now. Yes. So, are you able to see the screen, children? Yes. Show me thumb if you are able to see. Good. So, this is the poem we have in our textbook. We traveled by spaceship to outer space. Far, far away, we were very brave. We waved at the earth. We watched the earth get smaller and smaller. We traveled by spaceship to outer space. Far, far away, we were very brave. So children, here you can see these red color highlighted words. The words which are in red color. Can you see these red color words? Yes? Red color words? These are the past verbs. These are the verbs added ed. What we have added for the verbs? Children, unmute and tell me. Ed, see travel. Travel plus ed. Travel plus ed, traveled. This already we have done. This already we have done. So we have added here ed. Look at the screen, Dhriti. What are you doing? Look at the screen. So now see here, we traveled. Travel plus ed, traveled. Wave plus d, waved. Watch plus ed, watched. Dhriti. Next one, jump plus ed, jumped. Walk plus ed, walked. Children, when we want to express our feelings or the verbs which we have done, the action word, the doing words which we have already completed. It might be yesterday or 1 month, 1 month. Yes, we have passed it before, like last 1 month only we have completed. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to use this past verbs, past forms. These are called regular verbs. Regular verbs are added with D or ED. Lohit, D or ED. So, traveled, waved, watched, jumped, walked. These are all the past forms. These are all the past forms. Now, you tell me the past form of, I will tell you, call. What is the past form of call? Can you tell me? Unmute and tell me call. Called. Very good. Called. Yes. Jump. Jumped. Wave. Waved. Waved. Next, walk. Walk past form is walked. And yes, so these are all the past forms. And now let us see one more here. See here, traveled, climb. Climb past form is, what is the past form of climb?
Climbed.
Yes, climbed. And again, travel. What is the past form of travel?
Traveled.
Traveled. Good. So children, when you are using the past forms, you have to add D or ED. Is it clear? And one more thing, children. Listen here.
Already చేసేసాం.
And one more thing, children. Can you find any compound noun here? Compound means two nouns. Two nouns gives us a one new noun. We have read, no?
Ship.
Sun plus light, sunlight. Like that, do you find any compound noun there? Yes, yes, Dhriti, you are right. Space plus ship. Spaceship. Very good. So spaceship is the compound noun we can see in this poem. Very good.
Sunflower.
See, no, I'm asking you in the poem. Okay, so spaceship is the compound noun. Space is different and ship is different. Space means you astronauts who will go to the space there on the moon, that is called a space. Ship which sails in the river. So space plus ship, two different nouns we have. It is giving a new noun, that is spaceship. Okay, children? Now, once again, come on.
Ma'am, I just want to sing the rhyme.
Yeah, now we are going to do that. Everyone, you have to read. Come on, start. Let's start this. Come on. We travel by spaceship. Okay, wait. Just 1 second.
Travel by spaceship out of the space. Far, far.
Yes, far, far away. Now, I'm going to mute everyone. You are not listening to me.
Ma'am, one by one, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Ashita Gautam, come on. You said first you want to sing, so you start.
We travel by a spaceship to outer space, far, far away. We were very brave. We waved to at the earth. We watched the earth getting small and smaller. We travel by a spaceship to outer space, far, far away. We were very brave. We jumped to off the
Jumped
spaceship.
out of the spaceship. Jumped?
We jumped out of the spaceship. We walked on the moon.
Good.
We traveled by a spaceship to outer space. Far, far away, we were very brave. We climbed back into spaceship. We travel home. We travel by spaceship to outspace.
Outer
Far, far
space.
away. We were brave.
Very good. Very good. Good. Now Hanvika, I think she raised hand. Hanvika. Yes, Hanvika.
Ma'am, I will read.
Okay, start.
Ma'am, what is the page number, ma'am?
54, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Misbah, Dhriti, and okay, they also raised hand. Okay, wait for few minutes. Let Hanvika
We
complete.
travel
Then
by
I'll give Pathan
spaceship.
also is ready. Okay. Yes, Hanvika, start reading, beta.
We travel by space.
Ah, what happened? You have muted. Unmute, unmute, Hanvika.
Okay, ma'am.
Ah, now start reading.
We travel by spaceship to outer space, far,
Ah,
far away.
ah,
Far, far away. We were very brave. We waved at the earth. We watched the earth get smaller and smaller.
hmm,
We traveled by spaceship to outer space, far, far away. We were very brave.
hmm,
We jumped out of the spaceship.
hmm,
We walked on the moon. We traveled by spaceship to
hmm,
outer space, far, far away. We were very brave. We climbed, we climbed back into the spaceship. We travel home. We travel by spaceship to outer space, far, far away. We were very brave.
very good, very good. Super fast express, huh? Good, 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 good. So after that, Misbah raised hand. Then Dhriti is also ready. Oh my God, so many members raised hands. They are ready to read. Dhriti, Pathan, Advaitarian, Shriyan. Okay, okay. Yes, Misbah, start.
We traveled by spaceship